Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan at mga minamahal kong mga kapatid sa pananampalataya. Ito po muli ang Evening Devotion Bible Reading. Ang pag-aaralan po natin ngayong gabing ito ay The Order of the Home and its Responsibility. Number 1, the responsibility of the husband. In verse number 25 in the book of Ephesians chapter 5, the Bible says, "Husbands, love your wives, even as Christ also loved the church and gave himself for it." Then number 2, the responsibility of the wives. In verse number 22 in the book of Ephesians chapter 5, "Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands as unto the Lord." Then number 3, the responsibility of the children. In the book of Ephesians chapter 6 in verse number 1, the Bible says, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right." And then the last, the responsibility of the family. In verse number 21, "Submitting yourselves one to another in the fear of God." Ang responsibilidad po ng buong pamilya ay magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos.